Yes friends, now so here some Roman numerals are given. These Roman numerals we have to write in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Then first question is given X, X, I. Then how to write this Roman numeral into Hindu-Arabic numerals? Here according to our rules, total 4 rules we have. According to that 4 rules we have to follow and we have to write. First, what is there? Here X and X. Here X and X repeat twice, and I. These two are bigger Roman numerals and these two are smaller Roman numerals. Bigger Roman numerals, smaller Roman numerals are on right side of the bigger Roman numeral, we have to add. Then here it repeats also, we have to add. So here X means 10 and again X means 10. Here we are adding. Why we are adding? Here X and X it repeats. Whenever it repeats we have to add. And again these are the small Roman numerals. When small Roman numerals are there on right side, then again we have to add. What I means 1, again I means 1. Then all we have to add here. Why? Because here repeated and again small Roman numerals are on right side and that also repeated. Then 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 21, 22. This is 22 representation. This is 22 representation. Now here, what is there? I. This is I is a Roman numeral. It repeats thrice. Whenever Roman numeral repeats, we have to add. We have to add according to our first rule. Then 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. This is free representation. And here in the next, X, I, V. This is the smaller Roman numeral. This is a smaller Roman numeral. Smaller Roman numeral is in between the two bigger Roman numerals. So according to our fourth rule, whenever the smaller Roman numeral is in between the two bigger Roman numerals, then what we have to do? We have to take first whatever the bigger Roman numeral is there, that number we have to write first 10 and keep plus. And after that, here this represents 5, this represents 1. The smaller Roman numeral is on left side of the bigger Roman numeral, so we make minus. 5 minus 1, 10. 5 minus 1 is 4, that is 14. This is 14 representation. So according to our rules, this is according to first rule, according to fourth rule. So we are writing the Roman numerals, we are converting Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Then in the same way, here also the same, according to first rule, we have to do this as a homework, and this is also as a homework you have to do. This is repeatedly 3 times it repeats. 3 times it repeats means you have to add. Here 2 times it repeats, you have to add. Here the smaller Roman numeral is on the right side of the bigger Roman numeral, then you have to add 10 plus 1, 11 like this. These 4 questions to as your assignment here homework. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, here Roman numerals given. So we are converting Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Here vice versa. One more question is given in the second question. Here Hindu-Arabic numeral is given. So we have to convert Hindu-Arabic numeral into Roman numeral. Then how? 21 is given. How to take this 21? 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 1. 21. Then what is the representation of 10? 10 representation is X. Here 10 is repeated, means we have to take 2 times, it means plus only. Then after bigger number, smaller number is there, means on the right side smaller number is there. On the right side if smaller number is there, again that is addition, so it will come here only. Then 21 means X, X and I. And here 8, then how to take 8? How to write this 8? 8 means 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 representation is there in Roman system, but 3 representation is not there in Roman system. Then how to write 3 in Roman system? Then again we have to convert these 3 into Roman alphabets. So in Roman alphabets 5 as it is. Why? Because 5 representation is there, and 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. This is representation. Then after that 5 representation is V. Then 1 representation is I. 1 representation is I. 1 representation is I. Here I repeats 3 times. Whenever the Roman number repeats means addition. Here addition is there. So means we have to take like this. And these smaller Roman numerals on right side of the bigger Roman numerals addition. Then this is the representation of 8. This is the representation of 21 in Roman system. These are Hindu-Arabic numbers. Hindu-Arabic numbers are converted into Roman numerals in this way. Here also the same Hindu-Arabic numerals converted into Roman numerals in this way. According to our rules, using 4 rules, we have to convert Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals and Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. This is the method to write. Yes, friends, now here the third question is given. So we have to use greater than and less than. So we have to say which one is the greater and which one is the less. Here one number is given in Hindu-Arabic numeral and other number is given in the Roman numeral. Now we have to decide which one is greater and which one is smaller. This is 16, we know. 16 is as it is. In this we have to find, so what is the value of this x, x and b? Here x means it repeats twice. It repeats twice means we have to add. 10 plus 10. X means 10, 10 plus 10. Then after that v is there. V is on right side of the bigger Roman numeral. Whenever right side is a smaller Roman numeral, then we have to add. Like this. First here x, it repeats. It repeats means we have to take 10 and 10. We have to add. And smaller Roman numeral is on right side of the bigger Roman numeral. Again addition. 10 plus 10 plus 15. That is 16 as it is. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. This is 25. This is 16 and this is 25. It means 16 is smaller than, means lesser than. This is lesser than symbol. 16 is less than x, v. It means 25. 16 is less than 25 in this way. So we have to decide which one is smaller and which one is the bigger. In this way same, here also this is the Roman numeral, this is Hindu-Arabic numerals. Now, so these Roman numerals first we have to convert into Hindu-Arabic numerals. What is the condition? According to our fourth rule, what is the fourth rule? According to our fourth rule, if any of the smaller Roman numeral is in between two bigger Roman numerals, then what we have to do? So first we have to take this first one as it is, 10 and plus. After that another bigger Roman numeral is there. For this bigger Roman numeral, this smaller Roman numeral is on left side. So we make minus 10 minus 1. Then this 24 as it is. 10 same plus 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. This 24 same. 10 plus 9, 19 and 24. In 19 and 24, 19 is lesser than 24. Then here lesser than symbol. Then x, ix. It means 19. 19 is lesser than 24. In this way, first whenever the comparison is given in between the Roman numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals, first we have to convert Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Then after converting, you have to decide either they are lesser or greater than. So this is the method to decide lesser than and greater than. Then after that, Here arranging ascending and descending order is given. Ascending order, descending order. What is meant by ascending order and what is meant by descending order? Ascending order means increasing order. Ascending means increasing, descending means decreasing order. Increasing means from smaller to bigger. Descending means decreasing from bigger to smaller. Here, before deciding which one is smaller and which one is bigger, first we convert this Roman numeral into Hindu-Arabic numerals using 4 rules. We learn 4 rules. On the basis of that 4 rules, we have to convert these Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. This X means already we know. This is directly we know we have. This is the symbol for 10. V means this is for 5. Here, this smaller Roman numeral is in between the two bigger Roman numeral. The first one we take as it is plus another. This is 5. 5 minus 1. This is 10 plus 4. This is 14. Here, in this, it repeats x. It 2 times repeats. If any Roman numeral repeat 2 times, it means we have to add. That is 10 plus 10. And after that, smaller Roman numeral is on right side of the bigger Roman numeral. According to our second rule, we have to add 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Then here, the Roman numeral here repeat 2 times. Repeat means add. 10 plus 10, 20. Then this is the system here. The first one is 10, the second one is 5, the third one is 14, the fifth one is 21, the fourth one is 21, the fifth one is 20. In this 5, here descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Descending means decreasing. Decreasing means from bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. So in all this, which one is bigger? 21 is bigger. 21 is bigger. That is x. Then little bit smaller than this. That is 20. That is x and x. Little bit smaller. That is 14. X I V. Little bit smaller. That is 10. Very smaller. That is 5. B. So in this way, whenever the Roman numerals given and to ask write in descending order, first we have to convert the Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic Roman numerals, applying 4 rules. In whatever in which rule it fits, according to that you decide and you write. So this, after converting these Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic Roman numerals, then descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing means from bigger to smaller. In all these 5, 21 is the bigger. 21 means this one, x, I. And little bit smaller, that is 20. 20 means x and x. And after this, which one? 14, that is x, I, v. After that smaller, that is 10, that is x. And very smaller, that is v. This is the descending order method. And vice versa, another is there, ascending order. How to write ascending order? In the same way, whatever the rules we are following in fourth question, the same 4 rules we have to follow, and we have to convert Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Then this is direct, the notation is there, that is 10. And after this, x means 10. Small Roman numeral is there. After big Roman numeral, again we have to add. And this smaller Roman numeral is in between the 2 smaller Roman numerals. In between the 2 smaller Roman numerals. It means after this is 5. Sorry, this is 5. This is 10. V means 5. Then after that, this I is there, this I means smaller Roman numeral, this smaller Roman numeral is in between two bigger Roman numerals. Then what we have to do? We have to minus 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 10 plus 1 15, 5 minus 1 4, 15 plus 4 19, 15 plus 4 19. Then after that, this is 5, B means 5. Here small Roman numerals are on right side, addition, and that to repeat 3 times repeated, add 3 times 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. Then after that this one, x means 10, v means 5. Smaller Roman numeral is on right side, means add 10 plus 5, 10 plus 5 15. Here 3, I repeat 3 times, we have to add according to our fourth rule, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. These are the values in Hindu Arabic numerals, 10, 19, 8, 15 and 3. So in this all ascending order, means increasing order we have to arrange. Yes, now students, this is simplify the following in Roman numerals. So simplification. Then how to simplify? Here I added to I4 gives what? Here I means I. Here it repeats. How many times it repeats? 1, 2, 3. Repeated means we have to add. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then the second one, IV. This is the bigger Roman numeral. The smaller Roman numeral is on left side of the bigger Roman numeral. We have to make minus. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now we have to add 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Then how to write 7 in Roman system? That is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 plus 1. This is the bigger Roman numeral. The smaller Roman numeral on right side we have to add, and that to repeat 2 times like this. It means if we add 3 and 4, which gives 7, which gives 7. In the same way, here 3 Roman numerals are given, IV, VII, IX. Then what is the answer? IV means 4, VII means 7, then IX means 9. Then what is the answer? 4 plus 7 plus 9. Then what is the answer? 9 plus 7, 16 plus 4, 20. Here the answer is 20. How to write this 20 in Roman numeral? That is 10 plus 10. Here 10 repeats, that is x and x. X and x. Here gives x and x. X and x. In the same way, here in the blanks, what he is asking, fill in the blanks with Hindu Arabic numerals. Hindu Arabic numerals. In this blank we have to fill in Hindu Arabic numeral, not in Roman numeral. Hindu Arabic numeral. What is Hindu Arabic numeral? Listen here. This is 3 plus what? Is equal to 5. Is equal to, if what we add to 5, it gives, what we add to 3 to give 5, it means 2. If we add 2 to 3, 3 plus 2, it gives 5. It gives 5. In the same way, here 10 plus 5, 10 plus 5 minus what? Gives 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus what? We make 4. 15 minus what? It makes 4. 15 minus 11. 15 minus 11, it makes 4. It makes 4. In the same way, this question as a homework we have to do. This is the assignment, home assignment. In the same way, but here is asking Hindu Arabic numerals, not in Roman numerals. First you have to convert the Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic numerals. Then after that you write your answer. Like 3 plus what makes 5. According to here sign. If addition is there, then add. If subtraction is there, according to subtraction, what answer should come. So this is the procedure. Then simplification. What simplification? What add to give this, and what add to give this, and the same way. So what add to give this and this. If he asks Hindu Arabic numerals, we have to write Hindu Arabic numerals only. If he asks Roman numerals, you have to write Roman